Package dimensions: 11. 938 lx5. 08hx11. 43 centimeters. Country of origin: United States. Package weight: 0. 200 pounds. Ohm equivalent part number: Chrysler %5517646AB. Since 1918, we have been the automotive aftermarket's pioneering problem solvers. We have released thousands of parts and components that people could once only buy from original equipment manufacturers. By always innovating, we have led the way in growing the aftermarket, providing more opportunity to individuals and businesses who depend on automotive maintenance. That's why our catalog includes more than 80,000 products and grows every year. Top reviews from the United States. OEM Quality door handles. Great alternative to very expensive OEM dealer part. Fit great and install only took 10 to 15 minutes max. Work great and no issues. It's the newest part of my Jeep Wrangler.